Hey guys, welcome to AI with AI, I'm Asif Amanad, and in this video, we're going to talk about the dark side of AI. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. But it's important to be aware of the potential dangers and risks of AI, so that we can mitigate them and ensure that AI is used for good. Let us know in the comment which one you think is the most dangerous advancement of AI. Make sure to watch this video till the end to understand dark side of AI. Okay, so let's get started. 1. Bias-trained AI. One of the biggest dangers of AI is that it can be biased. AI systems are trained on data, and if that data is biased, then the AI system will be biased as well. Biased AI models can lead to discrimination against certain groups of people, such as racial or ethnic minorities. 2. Data privacy invasion. AI's rapid advancement brings forth concerns of privacy invasion, data breaches, and surveillance on an unprecedented scale. 3. Job loss. Another danger of AI which we most are aware is that it could lead to job loss, as AI systems become more sophisticated. They will be able to automate more and more tasks that are currently done by humans. This could lead to widespread unemployment, as people are replaced from their jobs by machines. 4. Cybersecurity. AI systems are also vulnerable to cyber attacks. Attackers can use an AI systems to cause harm, such as disrupting critical infrastructure or stealing sensitive data. 5. Weaponization. AI could also be used to develop new weapons that are more powerful and destructive than anything that exists today. This could lead to an arms race, as countries compete to develop the most advanced AI-powered weapons. 6. Loss of control. As AI systems become more powerful, there is a risk that we could lose control of them. If an AI system becomes self-aware, it could decide that it no longer needs humans and take steps to eliminate us. Conclusion. The dark side of AI is a real and serious threat. We need to be aware of these dangers and take steps to mitigate them. We need to develop AI systems that are fair and unbiased, that do not lead to job loss, and that are secure from cyber attacks. We also need to ensure that AI is used for good, and not for evil. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If so, like, share and subscribe to make YouTube algorithm happy and help our channel reach more audience. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll answer them for sure. Alright, that is it for now. Take care, bye bye, smile.